Hello traders, this is Day Trader Matt with businesswithtrading.com doing an E-mini trading room recap for Thursday the 6th of June. And today was a very fun day, and it was a very sideways day as well. Today we had 7 trades, we were 6 for 1 and had the best day in a very long time, in over a month. We pulled out 14.25 points out of the market today. Very nice on the day. We had 7 trades overall, 1 stop out. So, not too bad at all. We did, quite a bit of trades, and we've done quite a bit of trades every day this month so far, which is still very new. But days like this definitely helps out. And, commissions are so low. It really is not a hindrance whatsoever. I'm sure everybody's read a trading book where somebody's used to pay, a couple $100 per contract in commission, which seems outrageous. And trading like what I do every day would not be possible. You'd have to swing trade something to be able to make enough money to, make your commission back. So it definitely, the lower commission gives us a lot more leeway and definitely a lot more fun. But, with the leverage, it also, with an untrained mind, you can definitely wreak some havoc for sure. I'll put it like that. Seems like the best way to put it. Anyway, let's get started. The market opened, basically in line here. Little sell off, little buy up, little sell off, little buy up, little sell off, which this was kind of fun to witness. First trade we grabbed right over here. We kind of watched it move around and everything. We did get long over here, and we were able to ride that up, taking some profits. And on the way down, we did get long over here, and actually got stopped out on that. So everything we made here, we lost here. It makes it very interesting when that happens. Usually that doesn't happen to me. Usually, it's a little bit different. Usually I'll make a little bit, lose a little bit, and still be up. But I've never, made what I made here, lost it all the next trade. So it was definitely very interesting. And then from there, we just, picked the market apart, like Rocky Balboa did to Drago and Rocky IV. If you're a Rocky fan, I'm a sports guy, so I do enjoy all of that. And I guess that, is the competition, the competitor inside of me, I guess. I don't know. But anyway, our next trade was over here. We ended up taking a long right here, and we were able to ride that up, taking a little off here and then a little more off here. And then we, waited for our next trade, which was down here. We did grab along. Only, took 1 contract. Took it very small, just because it could have pulled back a little more. It went right up, and we did take quick profit on that one. Then our next trade we grabbed down here, right around 7 here. And we did take quick profit on it as well. Let it ride a little bit longer than we did this one, but it was, quick nonetheless. Then our next trade was over here. We grabbed a long up in this region, and we were able to ride that up and, take some profits out of that. So that was very nice. And then kind of watched it move around when the market did come back down, and we did get long again, and we were able to ride that up and take profits up here. And this is kind of what we were looking for. I kind of thought the market would come up a little bit more, but I never try to hold for top tick. If I'm looking for a move and I'm riding price into that move, I'm going to take profits a little bit early. And those of you who are in the trading room, if I take profits and the market continues, I don't try to chase it. I just let it go. If I do see a larger move, I'll probably look to take it. But a day like this, I'm not going to hold for top tick. I'm just going to get out. And in this particular case, we got out at very, very close to the highs. 3 ticks from the highs, we actually got out, and then the market rolled over from there. And some days it's going to be like that. It's going to feel like you have a feel for the market. You and the market are one. And days like that, you have to come correct and trade what you see. And then you're going to have days where you and the market are nothing alike, and everywhere you think the market's going to go, it goes opposite way. So you're going to have those, you'll definitely have those 2 days, but then you'll have other days that are, a little choppy and a little scattered, and kind of a combination of both. And, definitely does make it interesting. But if you focus and, trade your plan, then you can definitely make a successful living out of it. Trading's I think it's awesome. I think it's a lot of fun, and I try to convey that to all the members of the room, without getting too crazy. You can't have an ego in trading. You can't be arrogant, because it really makes no sense, because it hurts yourself. If you make a successful trade and you tell everybody about it, your next trade is probably not going to be that great, because you're just being arrogant. You're just living off of your past accomplishments, which in trading you really can't do at all. And it seems to me a lot of people that try to live off past accomplishments are those that can't do it. Maybe they did in the past and they can't do it anymore, or maybe they just never were able to do it. And I say that, I'm probably going to get in trouble with that comment, but that's the way I see things. You can't get too crazy, you can't get too cocky, but when you win, you want to have like a quiet calm, but you do want to cheer a little bit. And usually that is after the trading day is over. You can go out and cheer a little bit. So that's the way I feel about that. Hopefully you got something out of what I was talking about. I know I've been talking for a little while, so hopefully you're not too bored with what you're listening to. You can always leave a comment below the video if you want, or you can email me directly as well, support@abusinesswithtrading.com. I know I tell people they can go to the Facebook page and leave comments. A lot of people like to email me directly, and any way that you want, as long as you're asking questions and interacting, is cool with me. I really don't. It doesn't matter which way that you want to contact me. I think it's just cool that you're contacting me at all. I always say there is no such thing as a dumb question, and I truly believe that. And I guess that comes from my mom was a teacher, my dad was a teacher when I was younger, and I got to teach a little bit in my mom's class, and it was a lot of fun for me. And seeing how people did certain things and why they did it was always very interesting to me. And I guess me becoming a trader, you really get to see a lot of that, and I think it's a lot of fun, and it's very educational. It's educational for me, and it's educational for others as well. So I definitely think it's a lot of fun. It's the best of both worlds, and and being interested in that, I really studied human psychology, and studied the brain and the mind, and why it does certain things and stuff like that. Neuro-linguistic programming, and I think that really has set me up very, very well as far as being able to give information, being able to help others, and direct them in the right way to go to reach the optimal amount of profits. Some people don't want to be day traders. They want to swing trade. Some people don't want to trade the ES. And I've taught others in other markets. The ES is my favorite market, and I love day trading the ES. And do what you do best. And then, that's what I say. Do what you do best. And those that like it, great. Those that don't like it, that's fine too. Because it doesn't have to be for everyone. But, I don't want to, trade something else that, yeah, I like the market a little bit, but it's not like my favorite. The ES I really, really do like. So I think, trading that's definitely better for me. And hopefully, other people enjoy, watching me do it as well. So anyway, I'm going to end the video right there. Thanks a lot, everybody who watched the video. Definitely appreciate it. Taking the time out listening. Ask any questions if you have any. I always tell people, if you have any questions, don't hesitate to ask. And I'm the one that reads the email, and so you'll be hearing directly from me if you ask. So don't hesitate to do so. Thanks a lot for watching the video. Have an awesome night, and I'll see you back here in the markets. Thank you.